Hello, my name is Bennet Gedan. I'm a graduated engineer working as a team manager at Bertrandt, Köln, with a team of around 20 engineers that are building functional development, functional validation for ADAS technology and vehicle dynamics. I myself graduated as an engineer for mechatronic system in the field of control theory, automation technology and software development. And I've started my career 10 years ago, so I've got an experience of around 10 years in the automotive industry. I've started on battery system technology and then go further with driver assistant technologies and now leading the team here at Bertrandt, who is doing development for automation systems and also for the automotive industry software-wise. What we will show you today is something that we built up in an internal project called HARRI. HARRI is our platform for automation and driving technologies. We built our own software stack in that project, which we are validating with a tool called IPG Car Maker. The partnership that we have with CarMaker helped us to validate in the process and to build up our own validation tool chain in that. And that's what we're going to show you today. So glad that you joined the presentation. I hope you will enjoy the presentation. And if you have any further questions after the presentation, get in touch with us. We will share our contact details and we are glad to hear from you. Thank you and thanks for your time being here. Let's start with our presentation about HARRI, our internal project about a use case with IPG Car Maker, in which we show our platform for innovation and autonomous driving and the way we validated that system with IPG Car Maker. In our presentation, we'll do a brief company introduction about Bertrandt and what we are doing as an engineering supplier, about our innovation platform HARRI, and on our use case for HARRI that we rendered with IPG Car Maker, and a further roadmap on what is to be expected from our project HARRI. Bertrandt is a major engineering supplier founded in 1974 in the southern region of Germany with an overall performance of 1 billion euros in a fiscal year, with around 30,000 employees working at Bertrandt in more than 50 locations around the globe. And Bertrandt supports the client from initial idea to production readiness, and we are an engineering supplier as well as we are building advices and quality on project management. And we are operating with sophisticated technologies of present and future, as you can see on our presentation slide, in different areas of the automotive, but not only the automotive industry. With our headquarters located in Germany, Ehningen, near the Stuttgart area, our more than 13,000 employees support our clients internationally from more than 50 locations in Europe, US, and China. We are facing increasing demands. Fewer individual projects are being awarded. There's an increasing need for development solutions along the entire automotive value chain. Development partners are expected to work on new mobility concepts for the future and to provide corresponding support for customers in their business models. We as Bertrandt accompany our clients with competence along the entire product development process in multiple domains, industries and disciplines. We identified 4 major trends that are relevant to our clients. Digitalization, autonomous driving, connectivity, and electric mobility are the megatrends that dominate the market. As such, we wanted to find our own solution combining these major topics and invented our own development and innovation platform, HARRI. HARRI was built with a major statement in mind. Each trend on its own is an enormous challenge. The art is about mastering all 4 trends as well as linking the resulting functionalities. Thus, our innovation platform HARRI is based on holistic and interdisciplinary cooperation with participation of global branches and disciplines. With developing HARRI, our aim was to showcase the bandwidth of our technology expertise. This does not only include the automotive industry but many other sectors as well. In this innovative technology demonstrator, Bertrandt brings together the complex interrelationships between individual divisions implemented through intelligent solutions. But let HARRI speak for itself.
I am the Intelligent Autonomous Innovation Platform, and I truly mean intelligent. Digitization, autonomous driving, connectivity, electromobility. Who doesn't know the buzzwords these days? Every trend on its own is an enormous challenge, The key is to master and integrate all four of them. I am HARRI. Thanks to intelligent solutions, I merge these megatrends of the future. It is in my DNA. The best of both worlds, the virtual and the real one. I know things. I see things. I connect myself, draw conclusions, and know where I'm heading. Of course, I do this autonomously, safely, and on my own. The expertise of my developers is my base. The street is my playing field. And yes, nothing runs without energy. That's why my highly efficient power supply can connect with intelligent charging stations. All certified and manufacturer independent because I love freedom. The solution for automated, connected, and electric mobility? That's me, HARRI. Made by Bertrandt.
We did not only build HARRI for ourselves, but also for our clients. How we did that, some more details about HARRI itself, and how IPG Car Maker was all part of that, we will show you within the next few slides. HARRI is equipped with self-developed algorithms using an NVIDIA Drive platform and a multitude of sensors for location, inertial measurement, and perception. To recognize the entire environment, HARRI is equipped with 4 LiDAR sensors, 16 ultrasonic sensors, and 12 cameras in total. We brought in our engineers' expertise to processing and merging that big amount of raw data in real time. The merged environment data is used for trajectory planning and to optimize the position and orientation of HARRI. We are able to detect traffic lights, our landmark signs, and the stop lines. Moreover, HARRI's algorithms are constantly checking the surroundings if there's going to be a crash with obstacles blocking the calculated driving path. To follow the planned trajectory, our autonomous drive controller is responsible for longitudinal and lateral control of HARRI. These control signals are forwarded to our electric vehicle domain controller via an internal bus communication controlling the steering and speed of HARRI. During the software development for the autonomous driving functions, IPG Car Maker was used as a simulation tool and for the virtual validation of the self-driving algorithms. To enable us to show the park and charge scenario in indoor environments, for example at customer tech days or exhibition events, HARRI was connected to a CarMaker simulation. Therefore, the innovation platform was represented as a digital twin and the environment simulation was adapted to the automotive valet parking scenario. From the CarMaker simulation, all relevant sensor data is sent to the autonomous drive controller so that the development algorithms such as trajectory planning, longitudinal and lateral control, and localization can interact in a closed loop. Using the environment sensors, HARRI is able to detect and classify objects moving around the vehicle, stop signs, traffic lights, and landmarks in real time, and thus affecting the simulation. Communication and interaction with our exhibition demonstrator can happen in real time by interacting with these sensor systems, for example blocking HARRI's vision, or in mobile application connected to our cloud interfaces. Our cloud interface also was divided into an Bertrandt Industry Cloud for infrastructure communication and an Bertrandt Automotive Cloud for communication from car to X. All virtual representation and virtual environment was rendered in IPG Car Maker, presented interactively to our exhibition visitors on a big screen, while our physical demonstrator changed its lighting, visual signaling, steering direction, and communication information in real time. We are now going to show you the same tech demo as shown with our exhibition demonstration. As you can see, HARRI is able to detect the traffic light situation. The driving status indicator indicates this by switching to yellow light both in virtual and at the actual physical prototype. Our camera algorithms recognize the parking sign and provide the driver with optical and acoustic feedback. So everything that you can see in the virtual world in IPG Car Maker affects the actual prototype and our exhibition both, and vice versa. On top left, you can see the representation of sensor data that has been received as actual sensor data from our exhibition demonstrator. On the bottom left, you can see the trajectory planning and vehicle movements that has been brought in real time to our exhibition demonstrator, changing its wheel orientation in real time. As the vehicle proceeds, a landmark sign is recognized via our trained neural networks.
This is used to provide and calculate a correction factor for our localization algorithms. A pre-planned route and trajectory to a handover area is transmitted via the cloud, and HARRI starts driving autonomously now. As the vehicle starts autonomous driving, the driving status indicator changes color to turquoise to indicate autonomous driving mode. The vehicle takes over the longitudinal and lateral control, drives to the stop line traffic light, and stops. As soon as the vehicle is at standstill, the passenger is asked to disembark and the driver gets out. The handover into fully autonomy is possible as soon as the driver's smartphone app is activated within the designated area. The vehicle gets its destination from our industrial cloud and starts its journey based on transmission of a pre-route from our Automotive cloud server. After successful handshake and confirmation of planning and routing, our industrial cloud switches the traffic light color to green. HARRI detects the change in traffic light and starts autonomous driving. As long as no obstacles are detected, autonomous driving is continued. HARRI continuously scans the environment and if objects are detected, stops. HARRI now enters the final position from the pre-route given by our Automotive cloud. After plausibility checks and free space detection, HARRI calculates a parking trajectory on its own without further information from the service. HARRI now autonomously parks while constantly monitoring the environment. After reaching the target position, HARRI automatically recharges. As the passenger requests via our smartphone app and connection to our Automotive cloud, the vehicle returns to the transfer area. The vehicle now autonomously drives back to the passenger. After fully autonomous driving, the vehicle approaches the handover area. The driver enters and leaves the car park in manual mode. The driving status indicator changes its color back to yellow. As you can see, we put a lot of effort into a believable scenario that connects a virtual world and our physical prototype for both exhibition use cases and development purposes. IPG Car Maker made the effort of connecting our platform and virtual simulation simple and just working. It was fast and easy for us to adapt between different interfaces of IPG Car Maker, MathWorks, MATLAB and Simulink and our own HARRI platform, all in real time and during the complete feature development. Integration and parameterization of our vehicle models as HARRI's digital twin was simple and straightforward. Transferring our test environments and test scenarios to the virtual world helped us to fastly develop and verify our concepts and algorithms. The virtual representation of the whole scenario was visually appealing, and the support from IPG was enabling us in bringing our own platform to a virtual world easily. Running the complete scenario in a virtual and interactive world helped us testing our self-driving algorithms and maneuvers. The HARRI project extended our existing cooperation between IPG and Bertrandt and helped to build trust within our networks. We highly appreciated the overall experienced support from IPG, available at any time needed. As you can see, we've showcased HARRI during diverse customer tech days, exhibitions and technology forums, with highlights as our German public premiere at ELIF 2019 in Bonn and our world premiere at CES 2020 in Las Vegas. HARRI still has a vivid life, and we'd appreciate your visit once HARRI is close to you and encourage you to get to know him a little closer. If you're interested in any further details, please contact me directly at the given contact details or get in touch with our Head of Electronics Competence Center, Mr. Klaus Hertel, as you can see his contact details in this slide as well. Thank you very much for sharing your time with us and your attention during our presentation. If you do have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Enjoy the rest of the other presentations, and many thanks for IPG for making this possible and also for all the support during the project runtime. Many thanks and have a nice day and enjoy the rest of the show.